I've got 3 different types of glass. I've got a Kokomo 605. This is a blue. Okay, it's a Kokomo 605. This one, this is an English muffle here. This is a cherry red English muffle. This, I don't know how I found this, but this is a Spectrum 305. But what I want y'all to do is, because white is dense, red is just a cathedral, but blue is very soft. So listen to the white. Listen to what, Ed? Listen to your cutter separating the molecules on the surface of the glass. And remember, just because you can't hear your score on the glass, it doesn't mean that it's not working. Because it is. All that carbide wheel is doing is separating the molecules on the surface of the glass. So this is our Kokomo 605. Listen to this. Listen to how soft this is. Same pressure, everybody. I don't change the pressure for nothing. But, so here we go. Let's try this. Uh-oh. Spin it around. Now we're going to take our grousing pliers, drop in behind the run, pull down and away. Okay? So that's our blue, and you heard that. You heard how soft that is. Now let's listen to the red. It's very soft, just like the blue is. And a lot of you have asked, well, what if they're textured on both sides? Well, this glass is actually textured on both sides as well. But what you do in order to secure your cutting on that piece of glass, is you slow down. Slow down and let it roll right over top of all of those little those little hills there. Give it time to roll over top of it, instead of moving across it so fast that you're liable just to jump right over top of it and skip. So now this is another piece of blue. This should be soft, but I'm thinking it's dense because of how dense the opal is. Let's try it. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's dense. Here we go. But because I'm not changing the pressure on my glass cutter, everybody, even the sound of dense glass shouldn't bother anybody. Just remember, don't change the pressure on your glass cutter.